you will go live on your Facebook page. It will not be deleted after 30 days. You will see some people after going live in the next 30 days that their live stream will be deleted. And you know, once that live stream is deleted, those engagements, those views are gone. It's only the ones that you have gotten within that 30 days that will still be on your page. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you will go live and that your live stream will not be deleted. Okay, it's very important, it's very helpful, it's very urgent that you learn how to go live on your Facebook page and it will not be deleted after 30 days. So guys, join me on the screen. Let me show you how to get this done. Let's go. So guys, if you come to your Facebook page, you tap here, then you will see where they write live videos. You tap it. Have you seen it? I am on live here now. If you tap that blue now, it will tell you to go live. If you don't want to go live from that side, you can follow this side now and go live too. So it's the same thing. So once you come here, you will see go live. You will see add to your post. That is your description. You write what your life is all about. Maybe if you want to teach or you're cooking or anywhere you're going, you can write what your life is all about. Then you add your emoji or how you feel. You understand? Then it will share to your story. So if you look on those things there now, you see mute. If you want to mute your mic, you don't want people to hear what you're saying, you can mute it. If you want to rotate your camera, you can rotate it. If you want to use photo or anything and cover your camera, you just tap at the sticker, then it will go to your gallery, whatever that you want to use and cover your camera. Maybe you want to go silent live stream, you just carry the picture or the flower, anything, and keep there. So once you go live, is that picture that will show on your live. And if you don't want to use it, you just tap that red sign and that picture will go out. So as you can see me here now, that is how you will be on your live stream. So you can choose any of the effects. You just scroll, look for anyone you love, you just be tapping them till you find your desired one. Okay, so there are so many effects here. Anyone you like, you can tap to see how it looks on your face, if it is good to go or not. So you can just be tapping them one by one. This Barbie, I also love to use it at times. Okay, especially maybe when you are at environment that you don't want everything to show, you can use this Barbie. It's also good. So if you don't want it, you can just look for another one. Oh my god, see that? Auntie Gwe. So that is it. You keep on touch all of them till you find the one that you love that you can use. Oh my god, this one also look good on me. So that is how you just be touching those effects to know the exact one that you love. There is one I normally like to use and it's the one I'm looking for. See my eyes. So you just be scrolling, be tapping them one by one to know the one that you love, the one that will fit you, the one that you know when you put your face will be okay. Oh my god, guys, this one look good on me. Oh hello. So guys, this one is my favorite. I love using hello so much. Oh my god, I love using it. Oh, have you seen how it is? So once you put your effect, so the next thing is to, if you want to enhance your audio, you can turn it on. Maybe you want to reduce background noise, where you are there is too much noise, you just tap that place to turn it on. So once you turn it on, you will background noise will just reduce. So if you're in a noisy place, you can make use of that background voice. So if you want to type anything to be at your the live, maybe at the background of your live, you can type anything and it will be there. As you can see, I type beautiful, and beautiful is at now at my background live. So if you want to type something, you can type anything you like and it will be there. So once you go live, your live will share to your story. Yes, because it's already at your settings. So after all those things, the next thing is just to go live. As you can see, I am live now. So you just start your discussion, whatever you want to discuss on your live, you just continue, go ahead and discuss whatever you want to discuss, shows whatever you want to show. If you are in the road, wherever you are in your house, whatever you're doing, you just show us what you are doing. Talk to your audience, okay? Even if nobody is in your live stream, you can as well continue what you are saying, okay? If nobody is in your live stream, that will make you to quit your live stream, okay? You continue talking whatever you are talking. So sorry guys, my network is fluctuating. That is why you see this thing is trying to reconnect. It's network. It's not my fault, it's network. So exercise patient, it will reconnect. So all you need to do is just to start talking to your audience. Oh, it's back. So that's it. My live stream have ended. I've ended it now. So you see the delete settings 30 days. Have you seen it? When you tap that place now, you see delete for 30 days, keep for 6 months, never delete. So the one you will tap is never to delete. Once you tap that never to delete, your live will not be deleted from your page. But if you just, after your live streaming, you just post it like that, in the next 30 days your live stream will be deleted. So always make sure that before you post, that place they write post now, before you tap that post now, when you cut your live stream, go and tap that place they write delete after 30 days. Once you type that place deleting settings, once you tap that deleting settings, it will tell you whether you want it to last for 30 days or you want it to last for 6 months or never to delete. So you just type never to delete so that your live will not be deleted from your page, okay? This is very, very important. Some people, their live stream that was going viral, so it was deleted because they forgot to turn on this setting. So guys, this live stream, I don't want to post it. That's why I didn't go ahead to post it. That is how to do it. Very easy and simple.